I found another hidden gem credit union, and I'm going to give you all the data points about this here credit union. The thing about it with this credit union, I think if you work it right, because I talked to a guy, he was real excited about it. The reason he was excited about it because he said he managed to get over $100,000 out of them. And so that being said, I'm like, wow. So let's see what's going on with this credit union. Now, in terms of this here credit union, Farmers Insurance Federal Credit Union, for you guys that are already members of this credit union, put a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. But in terms of how do you join? Well, the easiest way to join is through the American Consumer Council. Okay, now a nice part about this here credit union, it's no geo restriction, meaning that it's nationwide. So anybody in the country can actually join this credit union. So that's what I like about it. Now, there's no hard pull for membership. However, they do check systems, all right? And that's very important that you know that. Now, before we go any further than that, I want to show you guys something. When I made a video the other day, for those of you that follow me, I made a video and I was telling you to get the signature line of credit, right? Instead of the loan. Now, understanding that with the loans, the interest rates are much cheaper on the loans. However, with that line of credit, and this is so important, with that line of credit, because you're able to utilize it, pay it down, and use it again without having that extra hard pull on your credit. This here line of credit, just say that you wanted to start a Turo business, right? And you like, okay, I can go get a car loan. Well, here's the thing about it. You get that car loan. Now that car loan sits on your credit file, right? So, but you can't do anything else with that car loan. However, if you're able to get qualified for a $40,000 line of credit, you're able to go buy 1 or 2 cars with that line of credit, pay that line of credit off, then take the title from those cars that you paid off, and then go use those titles to go get another car loan to buy multiple other cars, right? So now you have all of your cars cash free, and you're able to continue investing to grow like your Turo business. So this is the reason why I tell you I would do a signature loan, or even like if you are starting any type of business, just for that sake, using a signature line of credit, because you can use it and pay it down, and also you can loan this money actually to your business to get your business started, like equipment and stuff like that. And like I said, as you pay it down, that money still becomes available to you. So that's the reason I tell people to go after the lines of credit instead of the loans. Now, that being said, here's an awesome thing about this. With their inquiry lasts for 30 days. For 30 days. So what that means is that you can apply for multiple products with this credit union. Multiple products with this credit union with that one hard inquiry. So that's the reason I was telling you about a guy. He was excited about it because he actually went there, joined and everything. And again, like I said, you join through the American Consumer Council. So that way, you know, when you join, you're able to use that hard inquiry to apply for multiple products. Now, here's the thing about it. In reference to like their credit cards, they said that their best credit card is the Select Visa because it gives you 6 months, all right? Now with Navy Federal Platinum Card, it actually gives you 12 months of no interest on any payments and stuff like that, on any no interest on any purchases or balance transfers with Navy Federal. They only give you 6 months here. But at the same time, this here company, oh, by the way, here's something that you definitely need to know. All right, so they pull Experian, okay, for their loans and credit cards and lines of credit. So you're looking at their Experian FICO 8. So for those of you that don't know what your Experian FICO 8 credit score is, click the link in the description and get your real credit report. Schedule a one-on-one consultation, and then that way I can actually show you how to leverage not only your FICO 8 credit scores, but your FICO 9, as well as your mortgage credit scores to get access to more funding. They require proof of income. Now, for some of you all, I know you all like, well, I'm self-employed, you know, I can't approve, I don't have any pay stubs or anything like that. Well, I'm going to show you a company that actually helps you do that. And I made a video that talked about how to use a business credit card to create pay stubs so that you can show that you're actually generating revenue. All right, so I'm going to show you that as well. But one of the killer things about this here, when it comes to business funding, they're hitting it on all sides with their business funding, okay? So with their business funding, this is what I want you to do. They have a business signature loan up to $100,000, plus they have a business line of credit. And again, this is what I mean. I would go for a line of credit, all right? Now, again, like with Navy Federal, you have to be careful in terms of what type of business that you're in. Like I said, high risk type of businesses, restaurants, real estate investment. If you're selling ammo, like guns and ammunition, basically, porn, cannabis, CBD, those are high risk NAICS codes, okay? So when you have a business, you really have to think about what type of business you're in, okay? I know some people are like, well, I'm an attorney. Most people don't know that, like, even attorneys, because it's in the consultation niche, is a high risk NAICS code. All right, so if you want to find better NAICS codes, better lendable NAICS codes, click the link in the description, schedule a one-on-one consultation so I can look at your business model so that I can help you find the right type of NAICS codes. All right, but like I said, they offer up to 100,000 business line of credit. If you're a member of Navy Federal max is 35,000. Okay, and that 35,000 is going to be split up between a credit card and a line of credit. All right, but they offer up to 100,000. All right, now here's something else. They even offer a flex loan. Okay, so with their flex loans is like a $15,000 extra line of credit, so that you can able to use this here flex loan in case of emergencies. All right, so that's what the flex loan is. Then plus they have staffing loans as well. But say that you want to get into real estate, they offer commercial real estate loans. This is incredible because, again, I know a lot of people want to get into real estate investing and stuff like that. And like with the major banks may give you such a hard challenge to do that. However, this credit union, Farmers Credit Union, they actually offer you commercial real estate loans. All right, so that's the reason that I'm excited about this here credit union. Now, there's one other thing. Like I said, for those of you that are self-employed and stuff like this here is Astria, but please understand, excuse me for the misinterpretation, but please understand, to my understanding, this company, if any of you guys that are watching this video, if you use this here company, please put a comment, let me know if you like it. But they said that they can as well, or direct payments. So like with some credit unions, I tell you that gardening is very important, meaning that you open up a business account, a checking account, a savings account. And it really helps if you have direct deposit. Well, this company says that they can help you do direct deposit to whatever financial institution you want to go to. That's what they said that they're able to do. So also, if they're able to do direct deposit, and especially if they're able to take like money off a credit card. Now, like I said, with ADP, I know ADP would let you use your business credit card and take money off of that to create pay stubs and stuff like that. And then you're able to show proof that you have income coming in so that you can get qualified. Well, I would definitely tell you guys to check out this here company as well, all right? Now, if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, how to remove negative items off of the personal credit, click the link in the description.